Hi! In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the e-commerce multi-product module in paymentform.io. Paymentform.io is a form-based checkout platform that allows you to create payment forms for various use cases, including donations, fundraising, e-commerce products, events, memberships, and much more. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new form. First, click the Create Your First Form button. Then you will see a list of all available modules and templates here. Next, select the e-commerce multi-product template and click the Use Template button to create your form. Step 2. Configure the e-commerce setup. Paymentform.io allows you to organize your products with built-in category filters and a sort by drop-down, making it easy for customers to quickly find the products they are looking for. Now, click on the Create Product button. Next, upload one or more product images to the Images section. These images will serve as the primary product images and will be displayed throughout your checkout page. Enter your product name and description. You can also specify the unit of measurement for your product, such as pieces, to define how the product quantity will be displayed. Now, select a category from the Category drop-down menu. If you haven't created any categories yet, or if you'd like to add a new one, simply click the Add Category button, enter the category details, and create your category. Once created, it will be available for selection in your form. If your product comes in different variations, you can add product variants as well. For example, you may create variants based on color, size, or any other attribute that allows customers to choose between different options of the same product. To add a variant, simply click the Add Variant button. Then, enter a name for the variant, such as color, size, or any other relevant option that applies to your product. You can add multiple options under each variant by clicking the Add Option button and entering the desired options based on your requirements. You can also configure your product pricing and stock by selecting either the Single or Variant option. Choose Single if your product has one fixed price and stock quantity. Choose Variant if each variation has its own pricing and inventory levels. This allows you to manage stock and pricing separately for each product variation. The variants you create will be displayed in the Pricing and Stock section, where you can configure and update the image, price, discounted price, and stock quantity for each variation individually. Once you've entered all the required product details, click the Create Product button to save your product. Your product will be created successfully and added to your product list. To add more products, click the Create Product button and repeat the same process. From the left sidebar in the e-commerce setup, you can view all the categories you've created. You can also create a new category or edit and manage your existing categories at any time based on your requirements. Next, let's configure your currency and tax settings. Begin by selecting your preferred currency from the Currency drop-down menu. Next, choose a tax rule from the available options. If you have not created any tax rules yet, you can do so by navigating to the Tax Rules page. Tax rules created here can be reused across multiple forms and products. First, enter a title for your tax rule. Next, choose how the tax should be calculated by selecting either billing address or shipping address from the drop-down menu. You can then configure tax rates for specific countries and states by assigning the appropriate tax percentages based on your business requirements. If you need to add additional tax rates, simply click the Add Tax Rate button and specify the required locations and tax rates. Once you have finished configuring all tax rates, click Create Tax Rule to save the tax rule. Congratulations! Your tax rule has been created successfully. You can create multiple tax rules by clicking the Create Tax Rule button and repeating the same process. After creating your tax rule, return to the Currency and Tax page and select the newly created tax rule to apply it to your form. Next, if you would like to charge shipping fees, enable the Shipping Fees option. Enter a title such as Delivery Options, then add your preferred shipping methods, such as store pickup or home delivery. Finally, set the corresponding shipping fee for each option based on your business requirements. If you would like to offer discounts to your customers, you can create coupon codes by navigating to the Coupons page and clicking the Create Coupon button. Enter a unique coupon code. If you are selling subscription-based products, you can optionally enable the recurring coupon option. Next, choose the discount type, either flat amount or percentage, and enter the discount value. You can also define a minimum purchase amount that customers must meet before the coupon becomes eligible for use. Configure how the coupon interacts with shipping fees, set the maximum number of times the coupon can be used, and define the coupon's start and end dates to control when it is available. Once you have finished configuring the coupon settings, click Create Coupon to save the coupon and make it available for customers during checkout. Step 3. Add your form fields. After setting up your product details, go to the Fields tab. Here, you will find 10+ different field types. You can choose and add any fields to your forms to collect the necessary information from each customer. Default fields include name, email, phone number, billing address, and shipping address. You can add, remove, or reorder fields based on your needs. Step 4. Customize the settings. Navigate to the Settings tab. In the Form Settings section, upload a header image and also add a compelling header title along with a short description. Next, you can customize your form's theme settings, including the font family, colors, background, and accent color, according to your preferences. Now, select your preferred payment gateway from the drop-down options to receive customer payments. If you have not connected a payment gateway yet, go to the Payment Gateway page and connect your preferred payment gateway. Here, you will find all the payment gateways currently supported by paymentform.io. In this tutorial, I will use PayPal and Mollie as an example. You can connect multiple payment gateways to your paymentform.io account and then choose the required gateway inside your individual forms. This gives your users more payment options when they complete a payment. To learn how to connect other payment gateways with paymentform.io, check out the related tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. Now click the Connect Now button. Enter a name for this connection. Then select a transaction mode. Sandbox next. Enter your PayPal API key and API secret into the client ID and client secret fields to connect your PayPal account with paymentform.io. To get your PayPal API key and API secret, please visit your PayPal dashboard. Then navigate to the Apps and Credentials section. Next, click on the Create App button and complete the app creation process. Once your application is created, PayPal will generate your API key and API secret. Now, copy the API key and paste it into the client ID field in paymentform.io. Then copy the API secret and paste it into the client secret field. Click the Connect button. Your PayPal account is now successfully connected to paymentform.io. Next, click on the Connect Now button again. Enter a name for this connection. Next, provide your Mollie API key here. To find your Mollie API key, log into your Mollie dashboard now. Click on the Create Access Token button and complete the token creation process. Once your token is successfully created, simply copy it and paste it into the API key field. Then click the Connect button. Mollie and PayPal are now successfully connected to paymentform.io and are ready to be used as a payment gateway for your single product checkout page. Next, write a short, warm confirmation message that the customer will see after successfully completing their payment. If you want to display your organization's terms and conditions directly on the form, go to the Terms and Conditions section and enable the Terms and Conditions option. Next, you can also set up automated emails for both customers and your team. Customers will receive an immediate confirmation, and you will be notified of every new purchase. In the Invoice Builder, you can customize the invoice sent to each customer by including your organization's name, details about what the payments support, and any tax-related information your customers may need. You can integrate tools like Metapixel or Google Analytics to track your form visits, customer behavior, and purchase activity. If you want to keep your single product checkout page private, you can easily enable the password protection option. In the Form Status section, you can keep the form enabled, disable it at any time, or set it to expire on a specific date based on your business requirements. After configuring all the settings, click on the Save and Preview button. Step 5. Share your multi-product checkout page. So, navigate to the Publish tab. Here, you will find 4 different ways to share your single product checkout page: Share Link, Embed Code, Share on Social Media, and Share via QR Code. Now, I am using the Share Link option to publish this page. Here, you can see that your multi-product checkout page is fully configured and ready to start accepting orders and selling your products. Now I will fill in the required information and show you the complete product purchase process. Step 6. Track and manage customer orders. Once the payment is successful, a confirmation message will appear and the customer will receive a secure Magic Login link via email. Now, open your payment form submission dashboard. Here, you can view all purchase-related information provided by customers, including their name, email, phone number, message, transaction amount, and invoice details, all organized in one place without the need for a separate spreadsheet or CRM. Finally, customers will also receive a detailed purchase confirmation email containing their payment summary and invoice information. Your online multi-product checkout page is now fully configured and ready to start selling products and accepting secure payments with paymentform.io. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.